There's for real bird eating a worm. I hope I caught him in time. Early bird gets the worm. He pulled it out of the ground. Oh, I missed it. Get another one. Get another worm. I just saw a bird eat a worm out of the ground. He pulled it out of the ground and I missed it. Red Robin. I forgot the song. Get your worm. Do it again. Do it again. Here it goes. Yes. Get the worm. Come on. Do it. Do it. Oh man. I never seen a bird like actually pull a worm out of the ground, and I seen it. And I didn't pull out my camera in time. Dude. Do it. Get it. When I stop recording, he's gonna get another worm. Watch. Or not. There he goes. Okay. I can't whistle. Come back. Oh man.